Welcome to the PHAR 6200 Clinical Trials Design and Monitoring class. This brief video is to welcome you to the course in ELC. This course will officially start on Saturday, January 9th with the course orientation module. There is no live class meeting. You should start the class by reviewing the course syllabus, ensuring that you have the right textbook, and begin the first reading assignment. Your course instructor is Dr. Randall Tackett. Dr. Tackett is a faculty member of the Clinical and Administrative Pharmacy Department with the College of Pharmacy at UGA. I am your coursebook person. Please reach out to me should you have any technical difficulties or need to get in touch with Dr. Tackett. Our contact information is noted here and in ELC. If students would like to have a private meeting or individual time with a course instructor, please contact me and allow at least a 1-week turnaround time for scheduling. My email address is noted here. The required textbook for this course is Principles and Practice of Clinical Research by John I. Galen and Frederick P. Ogabine, 4th edition. I hope I said that correctly. Be sure to order that textbook soon. This textbook is available from Amazon or other vendors. Most of your course readings will come from this textbook. Be sure that you have the most recent edition. This course is primarily made of readings and chat sessions. Your assignments consist of reading summaries, participating in chat sessions, and will conclude with final research paper. There are no face-to-face meetings. Be sure to keep up with your readings and participate in chat sessions. Chat sessions will be every other week. The exact dates and times will be determined in the first week of class. The chat sessions will be in the evening. You're expected to participate. Should you miss a chat session, review the chat log and send Dr. Tackett a summary of the essential items discussed in the chat meetings. To start, be sure to read a historical perspective of clinical research, pages 1 through 18 of the course textbook. You should start this course by familiarizing yourself with the PHAR 6200 course syllabus and layout. Initially, this course is broken down into multiple modules, about 14 modules. Some examples are the intro module. Readings are on a historical perspective of clinical research. Module 1 is on researching a bioethical question, ethics and regulatory issues. Module 2 examines IRB data and safety monitoring boards. Module 3 is on data management, and so on. It is your responsibility as graduate students to turn in quality assignments and assignments that would turn into board of directors or the FDA. Remember, the instructor's role is not to serve as a proofreader or editor, but to ensure your understanding of the materials. If your papers, or assignments are filled with grammatical errors or incoherences or have not been vetted for grammar or syntax, you are likely to receive a failing grade for the assignment. Therefore, all assignments should be thoroughly proofread and for grammar, syntax, and coherency. Note also that Wikipedia is not sole acceptable resource. If you use it, you need to cite it and make sure that you find other references, more legitimate, academically focused references. Keep in mind that while you are in the regulatory sciences program, we're not only teaching you about regulatory sciences, we are also preparing you for careers in regulated industry. Part of that preparation is how to communicate and work with these many government agencies effectively. Suppose you submit a document to a regulatory agency. The agency cannot make sense of your document because of multiple errors or issues, or you have not followed the direction. In that case, that agency officially will refuse to read your submission, and you could cost your company or your institution lost money and time. And a final word about papers and research. Ensures properly cite and outside resource you have consulted. The UGA Regulatory Sciences program is committed to providing reasonable access and accommodation for people with disabilities. If you have a disability and require an accommodation, please contact Ms. Jana Hodges. We've tried to make all course content accessible. If however you find that content is not accessible and you require things like closed captions or transcripts, for example, for lectures or a live session, please reach out to her early on in the semester so that she can make necessary arrangements for transcript or closed caption service. Also, please consider registering with UGA's Disability Resource Center. Their web address is http://drc.uga.edu and their phone number is 706-542-8719. Thank you for reviewing this video. Be sure to get your textbook early. Reach out to Dr. Tackett or me should you have any questions about the syllabus, the content, or other needs. Best of luck with a successful semester.